How to use TikTok in a laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can use TikTok on laptop. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to use TikTok on laptop, all you need to do is first of all, head over to your browser. You can use any of the browser that you prefer. After that, you can just go ahead and search TikTok on the search bar, or directly head over to tiktok.com and this appears on the screen. So once you head over to tiktok.com, all you need to do is, in order to use it, log in. Use the login option in order to log in into your account, or if you don't have an account, you can just sign up using these options given, which is Facebook, Google, Apple, etc. So for now, we can use this phone number, email as well. So you can just go ahead and enter up your phone number and enter the 6-digit code or log in with your email and then your password as well, and click on this login option in order to log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you can just go ahead and explore this page into your device. You can use the For You page to look out for all of the videos available, and you can like, share everything using the TikTok. So that is basically how you use TikTok on laptop very easily. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.